I created a one color eyeshadow look, and then I showed you how to do a two color eyeshadow look, just so you can transition from one thing to the next. I'm trying to make it very simple and very easy. But now I want to play and have some makeup fun. I'm going to just put some shimmers on my face, and however it turned out to be, this is what it is going to be. Are you with me? Let's do this. I am still using this palette. There are four shimmers in there, and I'm going to use them to create something beautiful because I am beautiful, you are beautiful, and let no one tell you any different. Pull your eyeshadow palettes out. If you're having a horrible day and things are just not aligning for you today, let it go into the hands of God and do something fun for yourself. Do something fun. Okay, I'm going to take the same shimmer I have on my eyes. I am going to take it and put it right here. Remember, I'm not sure where I'm going with this, right? So I'll add anything else I need to as we go. There is a pink, and I'm going to put the pink right here. I'm just letting what the idea comes through. I'm just going with it. So don't expect perfection. There is no perfection on this channel, and there's no perfection in life. So far I have this and this, right? I'm going to take the same pink and I'm going to go right here. Can you see it? They all have a shift for some reason. Yeah, they all have a shift. Make sure I do it the same or at least close. Now there is a brown in here. It's brown, but it's also like a bronze. You see, you can hardly see it. It's there. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it now. Yeah. Okay, so that's that color right there. This color is so pretty. You see it? Almost like a mustache. It is fun, baby. Okay, there is another color and it's very light. Maybe if I put it right here, you might be able to recognize the bronze more. Right? This is looking good. Okay. This shade and this shade is not the same. They're not the same shade. Taking the pink again. And then going up. 3 dots. The bronze don't show much. I have it over here. So I'm gonna go over the bronze with the pink. That's where the bronze is. I put this pink over the bronze. And down here, I'll leave it. Maybe I should put a little bit of gold on there so it can be seen. Okay, let's see. A little bit of gold, not much, on the bronze so you can see where it's at. So I just put a little bit just so it looks like it's there. The bronze is very pretty, but it doesn't show up much. So that's why the pink is there. I'm gonna go back into the gold. I rise. I enjoy doing this. It brings me pure joy. When I tell you it gives me joy to do stuff like this, it's an understatement because this is happy for me. This is joy for me. I get to do whatever I feel like with my makeup, and I am content. Please pull your palettes out. Create whatever brings you joy. Have fun with it. Place the colors wherever you want to, and apologize for nothing. Makeup is supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be transformative. It's supposed to be creative. It's supposed to be art. Because we're all artists in our own special way. This is it. I created something. Please hype this video. Please share this video with someone else. I hope I did brighten up your day with this look. I hope I did, because it's always fun for me. If one person's day was lifted, I am blessed and thankful that I was able to do that. Without the higher calling, without the higher spirits, without our soul, we are nothing. Take a little bit of time to enjoy life. And until I see you and you see me, just know that you can do whatever you want to do, as long as it is safe for you and you are not breaking the law and it brings you joy and happiness. Do plenty of that. Love you always. You are enough always. You belong always, because you are part of the whole universe. And without you, the universe is incomplete. God has a reason for you right here, right now on this earth. I will see you shortly. Bye.